Katie. She's having a ball.
Look, just finding a stick. Alright, I'm gonna go get the stick in the water. Go in that mud. Make sure you go in that. Good job. Is this where we cross over?
No.
Dude, Nitro. Did you go in the water? Did you go get a drink? Did you get a drink? Go get a drink. Wow. Oh, she's not happy, is she?
Oh, she loves to be there. Hurry, go! Get him! Quit doing that. Where are you going? Get over here. Come on. Here we go. She just had so much fun.